How to call person with voice command. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make calls to your phone contact using voice commands without needing to touch your phone dialer app. And here is how you do it. So first thing first, open up the settings app. Once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Google option. And once you are inside the Google services, tap on all services. Now tap on Search Assistant and Voice under the settings for Google Apps. And once you are inside it, simply tap on Google Assistant. After that, tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. And once you are inside, make sure this feature is turned on to activate the assistant using voice command. And another tip, ensure that the contact name is saved in your phone contact app for seamless recognition. And that's it. Now you can easily call your contacts using voice command. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.